Gratitude for your body. Hello and welcome to this meditation. You will use this time to feel grateful for your physical body, to connect to this amazing gift that is sometimes taken for granted. Remember that in order to stay safe and protect others around you, the only time in which meditating is not to be done is when you are driving or operating heavy machinery. To begin, sit upright comfortably and close your eyes gently. Relax your body the best you can and soften any part of your body that feels tensed up. Observe your body and your mind, noticing anything that might be blocking your ability to sit still in silence for a few minutes and be here and now. Set the intention to let all that go for now. This moment is just for you and everything else can wait. Become aware of your breath and all the details that you can identify while breathing. Notice any sounds, any movement, any sensations. This simple awareness exercise will allow you to relax mind and body. Observe your breathing in and out. Just sit here in silence, being aware of the amazing breathing process. Start generating a sense of gratitude for your breathing, for the simple yet so complex mechanisms that allow you to breathe, that allow you to stay alive. How incredible it is to have the chance to breathe. Observe your breathing with this thought in your mind, and watch how the sense of gratitude expands gradually. Now think about your heart, your wonderful heart. Think about the job that it does for you, constantly working to keep beating. Try to hear or sense your heartbeat. If you pay close attention, you can capture that gentle beat. As you sit here noticing your breath, also admire the role of your heart. Send your heart appreciation for beating, for being there. And still aware of the breath and the heartbeat, draw awareness to your human body. Hundreds of processes going on at the same time, and yet you don't need to worry about any of them. They are all covered. You can focus on one organ at a time if you wish, sending your deep appreciation for the job it performs. Or sending your deep appreciation to your whole body, without any judgment, just unconditional gratitude for what it's doing right now, for what it has done ever since you were born. Noticing any sensations that arise, allowing yourself to experience deep gratitude. Smile internally and externally. Feel how blessed you are. Invite in the purest feelings of love and kindness. Rest here, remembering you have everything you need. Resting in gratitude for it all. Savor these sensations in this moment. Enjoy these feelings. Close your practice, thanking yourself for choosing to be here today. When you are ready, open your eyes softly.